Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Qualification match 4 underway. Retro Robotics getting the first note off. They're able to score the third note for the Red Alliance. Mechanical Mustangs chasing off another one. Meanwhile, over on the Blue Alliance, 427, that's Lancelot lining up at the subwoofer. 1 point difference between these two alliances as drivers take control. Questionable engineering clearing the center line of notes, sending it back to their partners. They're moving over to the blue source zone with their partners, the Blue Devils. 62-26 with those wide, googly eyes. Blue Devils going under the blue stage, lining up at the amplifier. They dump it on the floor as their partners Lancelot scoring in the blue speaker. For the Red Alliance, Retro Robotics gets a score in an amplified speaker. That'll get 5 points. Can the Mechanical Mustangs get there? Just off the mark, but they're going to chase that note down and be able to pick it up again. Meanwhile, Dark Bite lining up as well. Send it, it's good. Scored for the Red Alliance. Retro Robotics able to complete another cycle, scoring in as well. Advantage goes to the Red Alliance at the moment. Blue Alliance amplifies their speaker and Lancelot capitalizes. They've got 1 note scored. Can they get a second? They make it loud and they do. 90-15 questionable engineering. Just off the mark as that amplifier goes out. But Mechanical Mustangs capitalize on a red amplified speaker with 1 minute to go in this match. Retro Robotics waiting for their moment. Questionable engineering for the Blue Alliance. Once again, cycling notes back and forth, passing them off to their partners. Mechanical Mustangs with the relay there, trying to pick up that note. 40 seconds remaining. Lancelot scoring yet again in the blue speaker, lining up to do it again. With 30 seconds remaining, teams clearing out of the blue side of the field. Lancelot for the Blue Alliance, picking up from the source zone. The Dark Bite scoring in the red amplified speaker as they hit that mark. Mechanical Mustangs following through. They're up, they're good for an additional scored note. With 13 seconds remaining, these teams are racing back towards their stages. Questionable engineering going to make another cycle. With 5 seconds remaining, 3, 2, 1. Mechanical Mustangs and Dark Bite on stage for the Red Alliance. 3 Blue Alliance robots parked. It's going to be a close match again, folks. We'll be back with the scores in just a moment. Comes away with the win in that match by a score of 89-79. Alliance 3 moves on in the upper bracket. We'll see them next in round 2, match 8. Our Blue Alliance, Alliance number 6, moves on to